Isang malungkot na balita para sa mga TNT fans 'no at, napag-alaman natin na serious yung injury ni Jason Castro 'no nung game 2 and dahil nga dun sa injury na yon, most likely ay out na siya for the rest of the season. Nakakausap natin si TNT team manager Jojo Lastimosa, and in case hindi nyo pa po nababalitaan, hindi nyo pa po nababasa sa spin.ph ay out for the rest of the season na itong si Jason Castro dahil ito nga, nagtamo siya ng full thickness patellar tendon tear. So, nung ating ginugol yan ay ang sad news dyan ay posibleng ang recovery period niyan ay 6 to 12 months. So, yun yung masamang balita no, para sa TNT fans dahil nga likely out na for the season si Jason Castro. Dahil nga kung di nyo pa po napanood yung game 2 ay with 3 minutes left sa fourth quarter ay medyo awkward yung layup ni Jason Castro, off balance layup, medyo awkward yung kanyang landing. Pagkabaksak niya sa floor, hawak-hawak niya yung kanyang kanang tuhod. Moments later ay lumapit yung team doctors and yung PT ng PBA, and then after mga ilang minutes ay tumayo siya at pero inalalayan siya no, but eventually moments later ay dinala na siya sa ospital no, at gumamit pa ng stretcher para madala si Jason Castro sa ospital. Medyo hindi magandang pangitain yun at ito na nga kinumpirma sa atin ni Coach Jojo Lastimosa, yung team manager nga ng TNT, na meron siyang ganong injury no. Again, ulitin natin, full thickness patellar tendon tear. So expected na yan na out for the rest of the season and even beyond no. Si Jason Castro, kung google nyo yung injury na yan ay makikita nyo na around 6 to 12 months yung recovery period no. Unfortunate news no para sa TNT, heartbreaking news ika nga itong nangyaring ito dahil nga ang ganda ng nilalaro ni Jason Castro and ngayon nga he's in this twilight of his career pero maganda pa rin yung pinapakita niya, pero ito nga ay nagkaroon siya ng serious injury that will require him to sit out for maybe a maximum of a year. So prayers for Jason Castro and hopefully we're hoping na definitely yung kanyang mga fans and even basketball community no, we're all hoping that for a speedy recovery para kay Jason Castro. Balikan natin yung mga resulta ng game 2 kung sakaling hindi nyo po nababalitaan ay nanalo nga no, Ginebra over Northport sa score na 119-106 nung game 2 no. 2-0 na lamang ng Barangay Ginebra. Ito nga, titingnan nyo yung stats, si Japet Aguilar ang namuno sa Ginebra with 31 points and 8 rebounds. Lumamang ang Ginebra by as many as 35 points. At dahil dyan, hindi na nakadikit yung Northport. Nakadikit sila ng konti. I believe 15 yung lowest gap no, na nabawasan yung nitong Northport, pero hindi pa rin sapat. Masyado nang malaki lamang ng Ginebra noon. At yun nga, Ginebra ay lamang na 2-0 sa kanilang serye. Doon naman sa kabilang semifinal series na, well, aminin natin, mas exciting pa to doon sa Ginebra against Northport. TNT 2-0 na rin dahil nanalo over Raynor Shine sa score 93-91. Dikit ang laban. Actually, hindi ganong dikit nung mga first early part of the fourth. Umamang ng 13 itong TNT pero humabol itong Raynor Shine. At na-foul out pa itong si RHJ after finishing with 28 points, 10 rebounds, 2 steals and 2 blocks. Tapos Jason Castro 13 points at na-injure, hindi na nakabalik with 3 minutes left in the ball game. Humabol ang Raynor Shine pero hindi pa rin sapat, kinulang. Adrian Noku missing on the jump shot from the corner at yun na nga, final score 93-91. And very exciting itong series na to, yung TNT Raynor Shine, unlike yung Ginebra and Northport, and we expect the same thing. Talking about TNT and Raynor Shine, magiging exciting yung game 3, especially with Raynor Shine in a must-win situation in game 3. So bukas, no? It's going to be ang first game natin 5 p.m. TNT against Rain or Shine, and then 7:30 p.m. Ginebra versus Northport. Both Ginebra and TNT eyeing for 3-0 leads kanilang semifinal series. So yun, dyan nagtatapos yung ating mixing recap, no, nung injury ni Jason Castro and even yung game, no, against yun nga, Northport against Ginebra, with Ginebra leading, and TNT versus Rain or Shine with the Tropang Giga also leading 2-0. Anong tingin nyo sa serye, no? Definitely same tayo ng sentiments, no, na mas exciting yung TNT Rain or Shine kumpara dito sa Ginebra versus Northport. Anong tingin nyo? Makakahabol ba itong Rain or Shine? Makakahabol ba Northport? Comment down below, and we will appreciate that, no, yung comments ninyo dyan. And hopefully, no, mabasa natin ito when magkaroon ng tayo ng oras dyan, no? So again, ako po si Ruben Terrado. Thank you for watching our video, and thank you for your support sa ating different platforms, sa Spin.ph, and of course on our YouTube channel po, our personal YouTube channel. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for interviews, behind the scenes, and more, no, when it comes to the world of sports, particularly sa PBA. So okay, see you around, and we will see you next time dito sa ating YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.